Having the right 3D printer can completely change your printing experience. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best 3D printers so that you'll never have to suffer with sloppy 3D print results again. Now, the issue is that a 3D printer might work great for one person, but might not be the best for you. And that's just because most 3D printers are not made with the same people in mind, which is why I made sure to include options for literally all types of budgets and expectations. So regardless of what you're looking for, I'm gonna have the perfect 3D printer for you. Now, keep in mind that all the links to find the best prices on all of the products that I'm going to be talking about in this video are going to be down in the description below. The 3D printers mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so you're going to want to stay until the end so you don't miss anything. My first pick is the Bambu Lab A1. I picked this 3D printer because of its price tag, how easy it is to set up and use, and the print quality that it produces. The A1 has a compact design with a similar build volume to Bambu's CoreXZ machines. It's not quite as small as the A1 Mini, but you should have no problem fitting it comfortably on your desk, making it ideal for home and classroom use. One of the standout features of the A1 is its multi-material capability, which allows users to experiment with PLA, ABS, PETG, and even flexible filaments. This versatility can open up a world of possibilities for anyone who's looking to tackle new, exciting projects. And compared to other printers in its price range, the A1 is remarkably quiet. Its energy-efficient design also makes it an excellent option for extending printing sessions, so you can focus on your next project without worrying about noise or power consumption. Now let's talk about print quality. Thanks to its high-resolution nozzle and precision movement system, the Bambu Lab A1 can handle intricate designs effortlessly, offering a layer resolution as fine as 50 microns. When it comes to more technical materials like ABS, ABA, or polycarbonate, the Bambu Lab isn't the top of its class. But with PLA and PETA, the results are really good. And when I say good, I mean really good, even down to the finest detail. The Bambu Lab A1 is also equipped with features like auto bed leveling, which eliminates one of the most common pain points for most people. At the same time, the filament detection system ensures your prints don't fail if you run out of material, which, in my opinion, can be a lifesaver. Its intuitive touch interface and step-by-step setup process make it easy enough so that even a beginner can have it up and running in no time. Next, I have the Anycubic Kobra 3, which I picked as the best 3D printer for beginners. Now, when I think of what makes a great 3D printer for a beginner, it has to be a printer that is easy to set up and easy to use. It should also be reasonably priced, considering a beginner probably doesn't want to break the bank on their first purchase. The Anycubic Kobra 3 checks all those boxes. So for starters, the Kobra 3 comes 90% pre-assembled, so you can unbox it, complete a few easy steps, and start printing in under 30 minutes. Its integrated auto leveling system, powered by Anycubic's LeviQ technology, also simplifies one of the most intimidating tasks for beginners, which is ensuring the print bed is perfectly level. Any experienced 3D printer hobbyist knows what a massive difference in print quality this can make. Now, once you have your printer set up, navigating through settings is a breeze, and that's thanks to the responsive 4.3-inch touchscreen interface. Its clear and intuitive menu layout helps newbies easily grasp the basics. The Anycubic Kobra 3 has a respectable build volume of 8.7 by 8.7 by 9.8 inches, giving you plenty of space to experiment with larger projects as your skills improve. So, don't think this is just a printer for beginners. The Kobra 3's direct drive extruder helps ensure smooth, easy filament feeding, which translates into fewer errors for you and overall better results. Even with the trickier materials like TPU, a beginner should have no problem. It also has a great compact design, so if space is an issue, you don't have to worry. Overall, the Anycubic Kobra 3 is the best beginner-friendly 3D printer because of its easy setup, reliable performance, and affordable price point. It is perfect for anyone who wants to explore the magic of 3D printing. Next, I have the Creality Ender 3 V3. Now, this is my pick for the best 3D printer for the money because its advanced features are only typically seen on more expensive models. Now, this is an ideal choice for someone who is on a budget who wants to play around with a 3D printer. And honestly, it is a really good printer for anyone, even people who take 3D printing seriously. So for starters, the print quality is, in my opinion, surprisingly good. It's not amazing or the best you'll ever see, but as long as your design isn't overly complicated, you can expect a perfect or near perfect final product every single time. It also runs shockingly fast considering its price tag. Now, this is due to one of the most exciting upgrades in the Ender 3 V3, which is its 600 millimeter per second print speed. Paired with a sturdy CoreXZ metal frame, you'll also get the stability you need to ensure great quality prints every time. Now, on the topic of stability, the Creality Ender 3 V3 has a dual Z-axis design that ensures smooth, stable movement during printing, which helps reduce errors often seen in lesser printers, like layer misalignment. I mean, the fact that it can produce anything from intricate miniatures to functional prototypes with good results is honestly a testament to how versatile the machine is. And with a build size of 8.6 by 8.6 by 9.84 inches, the Ender 3 V3 gives you the freedom to create mid to large scale projects. It also has a 300 degrees Celsius hot end, so you can work with a range of materials. Even if you're experimenting with high temperature filaments like ABS and PETG, the Ender 3 V3 delivers consistent results. It also has a great auto leveling feature, which helps take the headache out of manual adjustments. Combined with a large touchscreen interface, navigating through settings and initiating prints is a straightforward, easy experience. Now, overall, the Creality Ender 3 V3 is the best 3D printer for the money because it delivers great quality that is on par with some of the more expensive, high-end models, but at a fraction of the cost. And please keep in mind that if you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, check out the links below. Prices update on these 3D printers almost daily with sales and general price drops. So if you want to find the most updated information, check out the description. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and also subscribing. Next, I have the Bambu Lab P1S, which I picked as the best overall 3D printer. So let me just say the Bambu Lab P1S and the P1P are very similar in terms of hardware, but with the enclosed build chamber, additional cooling fans, and an activated carbon filter, the P1S comes in as the superior choice. So what makes the Bambu Lab P1S the best? Well, for starters, it has a super fast print speed of up to 500 millimeters per second. Now, there are faster printers out there, but they usually come at a cost of quality. This printer here is the upper echelon in terms of speed and performance. So whether you're prototyping, creating detailed models, or producing functional parts, the P1S delivers incredible efficiency, and the additional cool fans give you that improved layer of adhesion to help maintain shape and intricacies. Another standout feature is the automatic material system, which allows you to print with multiple materials and colors at the same time. This really is a game changer. I'm talking about more intricate, colorful, and multifunctional designs without requiring manual filament swaps. It is a treat for anyone who has had to deal with swapping out filaments in the past. And just in general, when you look at the P1S, all you can think of is quality and superiority. It has a sleek, sturdy, enclosed frame, which not only provides better temperature control and ensures a safer printing environment, but in all honesty, it just kind of looks better. Its premium design also minimizes vibrations and stops wobbling dead in its tracks, giving you smoother, more accurate prints down to the finest details. And in addition, it is also equipped with a 32-bit quad-core processor and advanced AI-assisted features. So no matter what filaments you're working with, whether it's PLA, PETG, or any other advanced filament, the printer adjusts intelligently to provide professional-grade results. Overall, with its amazing print quality, sleek enclosed design, and impressively fast speed, as well as its ability to print with several different materials and colors at the same time, the Bambu Lab P1S comes in as the best overall 3D printer on the market. Last, I have the original Prusa MK4. Its superior build quality and top-of-class print production easily earn it a place in the top 5 best 3D printers currently available. Now, let's dive into what this beautiful printer can do. Prusa's MK4 delivers unbelievable print quality, with some of the best precision and detail you'll see from any 3D printer on the market. Part of the quality upgrade is thanks to its upgraded extruder with 32-bit buddy board. The 32-bit buddy board has fast print speeds and improved motor controls, which results in, you guessed it, better prints. Even when you add more complex calculations to your instructions, you can expect amazing results. Now, another great feature is the fully automatic calibration system. This takes the guesswork out of bed leveling and nozzle alignment so that no matter what you are printing, the MK4 will adjust to give you the best possible results. The MK4 also has removable, flexible print sheets, making it simple to pop your prints off without damaging them. This user-friendly addition saves time and is a huge plus for beginners who are new to 3D printing and are still learning. And if you're experienced with 3D printers, you'll be happy to know the MK4 is also available as a kit. So you can assemble it yourself and get familiar with every single component. Now, some people find this tedious, but it can be super fun for people who love engineering. Overall, the original Prusa MK4 earns its spot at the top for being a well-rounded, user-friendly machine that delivers top-notch results. If you're looking for a printer that checks all of the most important boxes, the original Prusa MK4 is one of the best that there is. And if you guys like this video or even learned something, please go ahead and give it a like. And be sure to check out the description to find the most up-to-date pricing on all of the products mentioned in this video. That's all. Till next time.